Today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Apple AirPlay on your LG C5. So right here, this is the home dashboard. It may look like this for some of you guys. If you have an older OLED TV model, this probably looks like a familiar screen also. But what we're going to do is there's two different ways that you can access AirPlay on here. You can do it from this screen right here, clicking it right there, or you can click the home button on your remote control of your Magic Remote. So when you click the home button and you get to this screen here, you'll see this middle horizontal row of icons here on the home dashboard. But what you'll do is you'll just click simply on AirPlay. All right, so you'll get to this screen right here, and one thing you want to make sure of is that your Wi-Fi here, here's my Wi-Fi FBI surveillance vehicle, but you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi on your TV and your iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi. So once you're on this screen here, go ahead and grab your iPhone, and then from the top right, swipe down just like so, and then right here you'll see an option that says screen mirroring. You click on that, and it'll bring up all the options of where you can screen mirror your iPhone. So mine is right here on the very top. There, the LG, tap on that. Then a passcode will come up, and just type in the passcode that's on your TV here on your iPhone. Okay, then click OK. You'll see this wheel start to spin, and then voila, your iPhone is mirroring on your phone. Now, the great thing about it is if you do, when you go to like YouTube, which I will right now. Okay, so once you pull up a YouTube video on your phone, you'll see that it is on the TV, and since I'm holding it in landscape mode like this, it's in landscape mode on the TV. So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.